Ford Ranger 2019, EcoBoost engine, 10-speed automatic transmission 1512. The 14th of January 2018 first mid-range pickup, upgraded technology, EcoBoost engine and 10-speed automatic transmission. Appearance of the car is designed for North American countries. Other markets will be slightly modified. In fact, the Southeast Asian market version that appeared in Thailand has a more gentle look. Ford describes their vehicles as being aimed at those who want a lightweight pickup to go downtown, as well as weekend adventures. Vehicles have double cab SuperCrew and single cab SuperCab. The chassis of the Ranger 2019 is made of high tensile steel. The front bumper and the rear bumper are also made from reinforced steel. The car uses a 2.3L turbocharged engine, along with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Power and torque information has not been disclosed. Page 1 predicted. The engine will power from 310 horsepower to 350 horsepower like the Mustang 2018. Buyers can option wheel drive system 2 or 4-wheel. Ford offers the FX4 Off-road package, which adds to the potential for off-road terrain, with large external tires, front bumper and rear bumpers. The car has a similar topographic management system on the F150 Raptor, offering 5 modes including conventional, grass, gravel, snow, mud and sand. The driver can change between modes even when the car is running. FX4 Off-road has trail control technology available. It works like an automatic gas system but is dedicated to off-road. Trail control keeps the car at low speed, automatically acting on the gas and brakes, helping the driver focus on the steering wheel. The last technology is the Dana AdvanTEK differential lock. Model 2019 interior is not much change compared to the Ford Ranger is selling on the market. The center is an 8-inch touchscreen entertainment, optional SYNC3 entertainment information system. The car has 115 volts power outlet, Wi-Fi broadcast from Ford GLTE network, B&O Play sound system. All versions are equipped with standard emergency brake. The XLT and Lariat systems have lane support systems, blind spot alarms and rear parking sensors. The Lariat also features pedestrian detection technology and adaptive cruise control. Rotary knob to set the edge of the need. Ford Ranger 2019 for the North American market will be produced in Michigan, USA later this year. Competitive vehicles in the mid-range pickup segment include Chevrolet Colorado, Toyota Tacoma and Honda Ridgeline. Meanwhile, the Ranger 2019 for Southeast Asia will be introduced in February 1818 at the Bangkok Motor Show.